Everyone, so in this video today I will be teaching guys watching how to cancel subscriptions easily with Rocket Money. So select the recurring tab along the bottom of the screen on your mobile app and on the money menu on the left of the screen on our website. Okay, after doing that, tap all near the top of the screen to see your complete list of subscriptions. Tap on three dots on the right of the subscription and select cancel service option, and then select the cancel for this option and fill the brief form, and we'll take it from there. So they're saying to simply select the recurring tab, then go on their mobile application. On the menu, it will be on the left of the screen on their website, and next tap all near top of the screen to select the complete list of subscriptions. Choose the subscription you want to cancel by clicking on the three dots that will be on the subscription is right, and then simply select cancel service option and then cancel this for me, and then the rest will be handled by the Rocket Money what do you want to say, Rocket Money company. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily use cancel subscriptions using Rocket Money. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That's how you can easily do it.